In this video, I will show you how to set fingerprint lock on Play Store. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, to get this done, simply open your settings. Once you are in here, just search for biometrics. In some phone, you are going to see settings, but in my own is biometrics and security. So click on that, and then you are going to see this fingerprint section. So make sure to add and activate your fingerprint. So once you've done that, we can move to step 2. So step 2, you have to open your Play Store app, and then you have to search for app lock trusted tool. So make sure you add the trusted tools to it when searching for it. App lock trusted tools, then search for it. So you are going to see it either at the top or you see it close to the bottom. So you can see this one that says app lock fingerprint. Then you see this trusted tools. So this is the exact one that you have to download. So simply download it. So this is the app. Just install it and then open it on your device. Now once you have successfully installed it on your device, simply open the app. Now once the app is open, click on start now, and then it's going to ask you to provide a pattern so you can see it. So just insert any pattern that you know that you are not going to forget, and then confirm your pattern. So once you've done this, sometimes it's going to play an ad. So once it's done playing the ad, just skip that ad and it's going to open the app. Now the app is fully open. Now what you have to do, you see this prevent uninstall at the top. So you need to activate this so that in case someone wants to access your Play Store and they are saying that they need to provide a fingerprint, what that person is going to do is that is going to try to uninstall this your app lock. So the right thing for you to do is to activate this prevent uninstall so that whenever they are trying to uninstall the app, they won't be able to uninstall the app. So let's activate that real quick. So once you've done that, the next thing to do is to unselect all the apps that have already been selected in here. Once you unselect the app, then select only your Play Store. You can see Play Store. Select just your Play Store and then click on lock. So once you've done this, it's going to ask you for 2 permissions. So you need to activate both of them. So just follow my step. So the first one is the display over other apps. So simply activate. And then you're going to see it in here in your settings. Turn it on. Then the second one is usage access. Activate. Going to bring it to your settings. You can see app lock. Just turn it on, and that's it. Now it's going to show you protected apps. Just turn it on and click allow, and that's it. The app is fully set and ready to use. Now the last thing you have to do is to click on settings, and then you are going to see fingerprint unlock. Turn it on. So once you've done this, whenever someone is trying to access your Play Store app, it's going to ask them for your fingerprint. So you can see it. It's going to ask for the fingerprint. So without the fingerprint, they won't be able to access your Play Store. So it's quite easy to do. Now let's pretend like I'm trying to uninstall this app lock, so you guys can see that that will also work. So if I'm to try to uninstall the app lock, you're going to see that it's also going to ask me for my fingerprint. So this is the best way for you to actually protect your Play Store app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.